You're not just a bag of bones and muscles and the physical aspects of you. You are inside of you. So it's really essential to include yourself in your practice, in your alignment. Notice how you feel and respond to what you find. If you were to film yourself doing your yoga practice, kind of just checking out and going through it, it's going to look a little bit like you're being rough on yourself. You're kind of being a little careless, maybe, not so extreme, but you're just kind of moving your body around. You're making shapes, you're exercising, you're putting yourself in one place and then putting yourself in another place. It's actually manipulating yourself. You're moving yourself like a sack of potatoes. To me, that feels exhausting. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do a yoga practice like that. I don't want to do a workout like that. I want to do my movement practice and really everything in a way where I'm learning more about what's going on with me. I'm getting more connected to myself. I know because of practice that when I'm more connected to myself, I can do better with all the other things. I can do better with other people, with my work, with my family, all this stuff. I become kinder automatically. I don't have to try to be kind. I don't have to try to say something appropriate. I don't have to try not to say something inappropriate. These good things, these good connections just happen without trying.